Nice long this, and you pinch it like this with your hand. Your fingers, pinch it. So you feel it pop a little bit. So you're going to twist it. So, same thing over here. Twist that one. Alright, your card, go. Put your batteries in, you can set that up. These are the ones you did not need.